This video demonstrates how to copy BMW U chassis BCP keys via the ICP method. This new feature has requirements for the ACDP software version. The ACDP software must be upgraded to version 1.064 or higher. The ACDP 2 software must be upgraded to version 2.08 or higher. The Android app must be upgraded to version 3.0/141 or higher. The iOS app must be upgraded to version 3.64 or higher to perform the operation. As shown in the figure, disassemble the original BCP key of the BMW U chassis. Confirm whether this key is a BMW U chassis BCP key with or without UWB functionality. Open ACDP app. Confirm in top right that a CDP programmer is bound. Click BMW. Click FEM-BDC. Click IMMO mileage. Click BDC3 BCP ICP Copy Key. Click Special Function. Connect the ACDP to the BAV key adapter properly. Place the original car key with its induction coil facing downward. Lay it flat on the adapter. Click Identify Key Info by BAV adapter. Click Continue. Click OK. Save key data. Click OK. Verify the identified original car key information and take a screenshot to save it. Click OK. Read key data finish. Click OK. Go back to the previous step. Click the Help for UBCP. Connect the original BCP car key, the BCP Key ICP interface board, and the ACDP properly. Click UBCP. Click Read ORIG key data. Click OK. Verify that the original car key information is correct. Click OK. Note the backup file's path, date, time, VAN, and key ID. The file name must end with the bin extension. Click OK. Read key data finish. Click OK. Replace the original car key with a blank new key. Click Write New Key Data. Important note: do not connect the original car key, as this may erase its data and cause key damage. Click OK. Confirm whether it is a new blank key. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Select Original Key Data. Based on the date, time, VAN, and key ID, select the original car key file ending with the bin extension. Verify that the info of the selected original car key is correct. Click OK. Write key data finish. Click OK. Replace the BCP Key ICP interface board with the BAV key adapter, and place the copied new key flat on the adapter. Go back to the previous step. Click Special Function. Click Identify Key Info by BAV adapter. Click OK. Verify that the information of the newly copied BCP key matches that of the original car key. Click OK. Assemble the original car key and the copied new key back into their cases, respectively. Get in the car and check if both the original car key and the newly copied key are functioning properly. Thank you for watching.